Hello everybody, welcome into the NASCAR Camping World Truck Series as we are live here from the Atlanta Motor Speedway for the doubleheader as it continues through Saturday night here for the Construction 200. I forgot the first part of the event name, but it's in the title, so yeah. Anyway, we are here at Atlanta for 28 laps of racing. We just got done watching Kevin Harvick win the NASCAR Xfinity race at Atlanta earlier today, and now the Chucks will take their turn at the track for 28 laps of racing. On the front row are the number 29 of Brad Keselowski and the driver who just got done racing here, the number 51 of Daniel Suarez. On row 2 we have the 31 James Busher, his first Atlanta start here since 2013. Alongside will be the number 05 John West Townley, who had a great run in qualifying in that Zaxby's Toyota. Running up the top 5 is number 4 of Eric Jones, and then veteran Timothy Peters, Matt Crafton, Johnny Sauter, Ty Dillon, and Cameron Haley will complete the top 10 of 32. 32 trucks showed up for the race, and all trucks made the show. Now that is all the pre-race news, at least for now. Also, we are coming off a wild race at Daytona. Tyler Young picked up his first career NASCAR win, and last Friday night's Camping World Truck race at Daytona held off a hungry Timothy Peters at the line and scored a big win for not only Young, but for the whole number 02 team. He will start around 23rd, I believe, today, somewhere in there. He is also your point leader. That is all for the pre-race news. Official now here at Atlanta. Let's give you your full starting grid here today for Atlanta. All 32 trucks are rolling onto the racetrack. All trucks were able to get fired successfully. We already went through the top 10. Let's show you some other drivers in the field. Ben Kennedy and Daniel Hemrick will start on row 6. Justin Boston, Spencer Gallagher on row 7. Ryan Sieg making his first start of the year in that 39. Travis Quapple aboard that 82 truck this weekend. Let's see, Caleb Holman driving the 75 this weekend for Henderson Motorsports. And there is your Daytona winner, Tyler Young. In that 02, Wendell Chavis will drive that 94 truck today, or tonight. Let's see, Garrett Smithley driving the 63 for MB2 Motorsports. And Jordan Anderson will drive the 74. Ryan Ellis behind the wheel of the 28. Those are the drivers, or new drivers, for this weekend's race at Atlanta. Brad Keselowski will be racing in tomorrow's Cup race. Besides, rookie Daniel Suarez coming down for the green flag. We are underway from Atlanta. And Suarez got a great jump on the 29 of Keselowski. Brad with the advantage in the bottom of the track. It looks like he will clear the 51 off turn 2. Now Bush with a run in the 51. He'll move to the inside down the back straightaway with Jones and Crafton following him. And now Jones makes it 3 wide for second place. Brad Keselowski grabbed his first career truck win after a lot of races of trying to do so. Last year at Bristol. Now Matt Crafton, the 2-time reigning series champion, now on the bottom of the track on that 88 with Ty Dillon. Started 9th today, or 11th today, somewhere in there. He's now already up inside the top 5, looking for another spot on the 88 of Crafton. Yes, he swings it low, tries to make it 3 wide. Crafton pulled a block on him. Now Jones on the outside. Everybody's gaining up on him on the bottom of the track, and now Crafton to the bottom of the 29 of Keselowski. Matt Crafton now in front now. He did not have a good run at Daytona. He did not. That 88 truck did not really have the speed all weekend long. Finished around the 18th place. Now James Bush to the bottom of the track, running full time after running his first, coming off his first full year in the Xfinity Series. His RAB team did not running the car this year. That 99 car that he drove. Buescher got a ride with NTS, and will try to run for his second championship in 2015. Now, a great run going for Ben Kennedy in that number 11. Ben's second year in the Truck Series, first year for the Red Horse Racing. Up here trying to hang on to third place. Johnny Sauter on the bottom. This is Justin Boston, one of our Rookie of the Year candidates with Spencer Gallagher. Ryan Sieg and Tyler Reddick. Then there's Daniel Hemrick, Cameron Haley, Travis Quapple, Ray Block Jr., and Cody Ware. Right now, Jennifer Jill Cobb, Ryan Ellis, Garrett Smithley, Norm Benning, and Jordan Anderson. And something has happened to our Daytona winner, Tyler Young. It appears that he has been on pit road, because now Tyler is one lap down in 32nd place. And now we have a new leader. Ben Kennedy has went to the top of the board. The number 11 out in front, looking for his first career win. Matt Crafton pushing the 11 down the back straightaway. Now under attack from James Buescher. Jarvis Townley's up here. We got Ty Dillon, Suarez. Your Paulson and Keselowski's already outside the top 5, almost outside the top 10. Now Buescher swings it low. He'll make it a battle for second place, but until Ty Dillon. Oh man, they're even going to get to the inside of looks like Kennedy even. Ty Dillon on the inside of Ben Kennedy. Ty won his first career or second career Xfinity race at Daytona last weekend. Now trying to get his, what would be, I believe, his third or fourth career win in the Truck Series. Now they are coming up on a slower truck, Tyler Young, who's just been on and off pit road, and it looks like he's not really up to speed as well, so it might be down a cylinder, that 02 truck. But Ty Dillon and Suarez now in the second. Keselowski's gotten back up to the front in that 29. Question is, who is the 02 going to hold up? Right in the inside line in turn 3, looks like Ty Dillon will be able to get around him on the inside. Crafton and Kennedy are going to have their work cut out for him on the outside. And Keselowski's going to, Reddick. No, that's Keselowski who just goes up and right behind Young. Now the two KBM trucks, Daniel Suarez and Eric Jones. Jones has 3 career wins, 2 of them at Phoenix and another one at Las Vegas. This is his first full year in the Truck Series, even though he has a couple of wins. Mason Mingus right now running in 26th, Corbin Forster 25th, Ryan Salas, Wendell Savis, Justin Marks, Cody Ware, Caleb Hallman, Ray Black, and Travis Quapple. This is the top 17 trucks are all in this little battle right here. And now, actually 18 trucks if we count Tyler Young, who is starting to drop back again. Up front though, Eric Jones has taken over the race lead away from Ty Dillon. Now Tyler Reddick, who had a great run at Daytona. And now the 11 of Kennedy coming back on the bottom. Johnny Sauter, Matt Crafton. See a lot more racing in the truck race, this race, than we did in the Xfinity race. It was mainly Kevin Harvick and Denny Hamlin, who were the guys who pretty much dominated the Xfinity race. Eric Jones was in that race. Jones finished last in that race after an engine blew up on his number 20 GGR Toyota. And 3 wide around third place. Crafton on the inside of his teammate Sauter. Now Suarez moving on the inside. That's that's Keselowski back right there in the middle. You have a call to Ryan Sieg in this 39. This Ryan Sieg has really helped and has done a lot for this number 39 team. They expanded their program into the Xfinity Series. Had a great run in their first year in 2014. Right now, Ryan hopes for a better, more better results here as he will run another full year in the Xfinity Series and a couple of about 5 to 7 races in the Truck Series beginning tonight here at Atlanta. Right now, it's going to be a while until we catch another lap truck. The next one being Norman Beaning and Jordan Anderson. Right now, 3 wide for the lead. Look at Suarez on the bottom. Daniel Suarez has never been here to the Atlanta Motor Speedway. Came out through the K&N ranks. Battling his teammate Eric Jones right now. Their other teammate and Rookie of the Year This Jordan Anderson comes out. Ellis and looks like Jones will be third. Busser and Ty Dillon. Then Haley, Suarez, Sieg, Keselowski, and Kennedy. So now Reddick, Townley, they're on pit road now. Looks like they're leaving pit road now. Where will they come with our leaders? Matt Crafton. Here comes the 88 of Crafton, who was able to get out in front of Johnny Sauter. Can Crafton get to Reddick? And here comes Matt Crafton on the outside, him just by the 19 of Tyler Reddick. Johnny Sauter now going by the 23 of Spencer Gallagher. This was a great call by the 23 in 05. They stayed out and let most of the cars get slowed down by everybody on pit road. They stayed out came down pit road when it was all clean and not a lot of trucks in the way. And now Townley and Gallagher, along with Reddick, could be getting top 5 finishes tonight. Justin Boston is now inside the top 10. He's running 7th. He must have made an adjustment on that 54. James Busher, Cameron Haley, and Ty Dillon in the top 10. Joe Nemechek and Daniel Suarez is now outside the top 10 in that 51. Paulson Keselowski is back in 14th place, or 13th. Ryan Sieg and Kennedy, Hallman, Peters, Savis, Hamrick, and Black. Wappel, Ware, Marks, Mingus, Forster, Silas, Cobb, Smithley. Right now, Jordan Anderson, Tyler Young, Ryan Ellis, and Norm Benning are 1 lap down. And we have a big battle for second place. Johnny Sauter, John West Townley battling for second place. And Sauter clears the 0-5 and the 4. Now he will try to set his sights on his teammate Matt Crafton, who has opened up a 1.3 second lead on Sauter. Now Crafton has having to deal with Garrett Smithley in that 6-3. He gets by without losing that really any time to Sauter. Now he will lap the number 10 of Jennifer Joe Cobb. Next one would be Brian Silas, Silas and Crafton are on opposite ends of the track. So it appears that we will not see another truck get lapped. Now Sauter, Jones, and Gallagher going by the 6-3 of Smithley. And they're driven away from Reddick and Townley pretty quickly. And then Dylan, Busher, Haley, Suarez, and Justin Boston, who has now lost a couple of spots after the pit stops. Tyler Young had that issue early on. Looks like he has been back on pit road. He is once again 2 laps down in 32nd place. Now Eric Jones and Johnny Sauter, since they have gotten single file, they have caught the 88 of Crafton. It was 1.3 seconds. Now it's 7/10 of a second. Separates the 88 and the 4. Jones is catching them, but he has Sauter on the back bumper. Coming down, 2 to go from Atlanta. The number 88 won the Xfinity race with Kevin Harvick. Can Matt Crafton try to get a number 88 to sweep the races? They continue to catch Crafton. Can Sauter make a move on Jones before he makes a move on Crafton? It is not over yet. No lap traffic. It's just who has the best truck. Coming down, turn number 4. Sauter to the bottom of the 4. Side by side for second place. And the white flag waves. 1 lap to go for your reigning series champion Matt Crafton. Johnny Sauter on the inside for second place. Jones trying to hang tough on the outside. Tyler Reddick is 4th. Gallagher is 5th. And Jones will do the crossover on the 98. He moves back to the inside of second place. And this is going up behind Matt Crafton. Coming down, turn number 4 to get his first win at Atlanta. Matt Crafton is going to go to Victor Lane as he wins the Construction 200. I can't remember the first part of the event name, but just look below this video and you will see what the title of the race is. So that's for the 8s I know. But Matt Crafton gets it. Eric Jones will come on 2nd in the 4. Johnny Sauter 3rd. Tyler Reddick, who will looks like Tyler Reddick will be a point leader, and Spencer Gallagher getting a top 5 in that number 23 truck. Daniel Suarez, Ty Dillon, actually Ty Dillon comes on 9th, but so a great race here at Atlanta. A little bit more exciting than the Xfinity race. And let's take a look at your official results. Suarez, Busher, Haley, Ty Dillon, and John West Townley. Then Justin Boston, Joe Nemechek, Brad Keselowski. 13th, we expected a lot more out of that 29 truck today. Ben Kennedy and Timothy Peters. Ryan Sieg, Daniel Hamrick, Caleb Hallman, Ray Black, and Wendell Savis. The top 20, Travis Quapple, Cody Wade, Justin Marks, Brian Salas, Corbin Forster, and Mason Mingus was the last truck on the lead lap. And Jennifer Jill Cobb, Garrett Smithley, Jordan Anderson, Ryan Ellis, and Norm Benning 1 lap down. And a tough break for your defending winner, or your most recent winner in the Truck Series, Tyler Young. And also your point leader coming into this race. He will come home last in that 02 truck. That is all here from Atlanta. Next, we're going to be taking about a month off, or possibly more than a month off. Next race will be at Martinsville, the Martinsville weekend with the Cup Series. So it's going to be a couple of weeks off the trucks, but don't worry, we'll have more racing on this channel. The NASCAR Spring Up Series live from Atlanta, the Quick Full Savannah 500 will be tomorrow, and then we will kick off the weekend starting at Las Vegas for the Cup and Xfinity Series. So a lot more racing to come from Atlanta. I'm Eric Burton from NJ531. We will see you for tomorrow's race at Las Vegas. Congrats to Matt Crafton on the win today in the Truck Series.